Welcome back to GED Advanced Geometry. Take a slow breath and let's build this together, one small step at a time. Today we begin volume. Volume measures the amount of space inside a three-dimensional object, how much a box, a tank, or a container can hold. On the GED, this shows up as storage, concrete, shipping, and capacity. We will master two solids today, the rectangular prism and the triangular prism. Let's start with the idea. Area covered a flat surface using two dimensions. Volume goes one step further. It fills a solid using three dimensions, length, width, and height. Because we multiply three lengths together, the answer is always in cubic units, like cubic feet or cubic centimeters. If you ever see a volume answer in plain feet or square feet, you know something has gone wrong. The most common solid is the rectangular prism, a box. Its volume is length times width times height. V equals L, W, H. Let's try one. A box is 8 centimeters long, 5 wide, and 4 high. Multiply. 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 times 4 is 160. So the volume is 160 cubic centimeters. A cube is just a special box where all sides are equal. So its volume is side cubed, s to the third power. Here is the big idea that ties every prism together. A prism has the same cross-section all the way through, like a loaf of bread. So its volume is the area of the base, capital B, times how long the prism is. That is V equals capital B times H. This one formula works for a box, a triangular prism, any prism at all. Find the area of the base first, then multiply by the length. Let's work a full example, slowly. A triangular prism has a triangular base with a base of 6 centimeters and a height of 4 centimeters. The prism itself is 10 centimeters long. Step 1. Find the area of the triangular base. 1/2 times 6 times 4. 1/2 of 6 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. So the base area is 12. Step 2. Multiply by the prism length. 12 times 10 is 120. So the volume is 120 cubic centimeters. Do not forget the 1/2. Sometimes the GED gives you the volume and asks for a missing dimension. Substitute what you know, then divide. Suppose a box has a volume of 180 cubic feet, a length of 9, and a width of 5. Start with V equals LWH. 180 equals 9 times 5 times h, which is 45h. Divide both sides by 45. 180 divided by 45 is 4, so the height is 4 feet. One idea keeps students safe on the GED. Know whether the question asks how much a container holds or how much material covers it. Holding, filling, or capacity means volume in cubic units. Covering, wrapping, or painting means surface area in square units. Today we are doing volume, the amount a solid can hold. When you read the problem, circle the word that tells you which one it wants. Before we finish, let's dodge the 3 most common volume traps. First, do not use surface area when the problem asks how much a container holds. Holding is volume. Second, for a triangular prism, do not just multiply all 3 numbers. You must take half of the triangle's base times height first. And third, always label your answer in cubic units. These small habits protect a lot of easy points. Excellent work today. You can now find the volume of a box and a cube, use V equals capital B times H for any prism, handle a triangular prism, and work backward to a missing dimension. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, write it out this way. Given information, then formula, then substitution, then the answer with units. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED geometry questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in the next session on cylinders, cones, and spheres. Keep going. You are doing great.